Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for DXY, or the US dollar currency index. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented account. Let's get going. Starting with this account here that I've shared before, seeing that we have some kind of A wave, B wave, and then looking for the last C wave to come. Here for the B wave we have completed an A, B, and now we would be looking to complete the last leg of wave C. Here, if we are zooming in, for the B wave we had this weird looking structure for A, B, and then C, creating this running flat, which is really rare. That is making this count a bit unlikely, or less likely I guess, but again it is working. It's met the minimum requirements that it needs to be, so it is valid still. For this last leg, for the C wave of this mini account, we have a 1, 2, possible third made. Here it came to the target area of 1.618. Now looking for wave 4 to correct, and then looking for the last leg up higher. Now depending on how low the wave 4 comes, we'll take and see the targets for wave C and wave 5 here on this sub-mini account. Target for wave 4 is here around $102.46, at which we have the 38.2, and yeah, we pretty much already hit that area. But to say that this is the wave 4 comparing to the rest of the structure is a bit weird. I don't think this is going to be the only thing that we're going to see for the wave 4. I'm thinking that we are going to be seeing more lengthy correction for the wave 4. This structure here on wave 2 did not really take a form of some major time waster, so we can't really expect that zigzag on wave 4. But again, it is already hit the price target basically. We don't want to see the wave 4 to get below these lows or these highs here, as this is most likely the wave 4 of this third structure here, or third wave. So yeah, definitely need to keep an eye on this one if we are going to get closer to this. Now these vertical lines are just a comparison in time versus the wave 2 and versus the wave 3. Now the grey ones are against the wave 2 and the yellow ones are against the wave 3. So there should be some kind of relation between these ones, and the best fit we can find is 1-to-1 extension, or 1-to-1 relation is around here at 8th of June, with the 1.382 of this wave 2 extension as well in time. So that is definitely some time or some area to look at. I would like to see this wave 4 to be completed here at the earliest at the end of today, but we'll see. That's where we have both of the accounts having, or both of the time analysis is taking the 0.618 of these previous moves. So yeah, that is the reason why I have these vertical lines there. But again, bias is upside. Now we have this other scenario where we have a DXY, where we have completed an ABC down here, then DXY possibly completed. I'm not quite sure. We do have that possibility of this being a C wave. Don't really have any divergence here, but again, it is not completely required. We do have a divergence here on the last leg here for the C wave, and at that point again we could be looking for lower prices. On this one again, we would be expecting at least to take out these lows here, but we'll see on the targets later when this develops more. Now we did hit the 38.2 retracement of this first move for this X count or X wave, which is basically the minimum requirement we want to see here. Of course, this could be just the first leg of a 3-wave sequence that we're going to be putting in for the actual X wave here, something like this, and then another set like this to get us higher. I wouldn't be surprised at all to see this. Now, yeah, we pretty much hit some targets here on the lower time frame, 1.618 of the A wave for the C wave, and around the 764 for the wave Y of the wave W. One-to-one extension would be a bit higher, which again we would have some support here around these areas. At that point we could come up to the 0.5 as well here, but then we don't really have relation between the A wave and the C wave. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share on DXY today. Let me know if you have another account that would explain things a bit different. And yeah, link to my Discord server below. And if you would like me to update a certain other asset, let me know as well in the comments below. But for now, I thank you for watching and hopefully see you on the next video as well. Bye bye.